We mentioned we have gotten some new details, and actually in the last hour they've come down regarding the drive-through testing that will begin in Dallas and where it's going to take place. Let's get to Jack Fink live in Dallas this afternoon. A lot of anxious ears out there. Where, when, and what do you know?
Doug, drive-through testing will begin at the American Airlines Center in Dallas at 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. Testing is key. Dallas County has seen more cases of COVID-19 being spread in the community than any other county in Texas, and Governor Abbott is projecting a dramatic increase in cases statewide.
This time next week, there will be thousands of people who will have tested positive. In 2 weeks, probably tens of thousands. This is a very rapidly spreading disease, but it's one that we are prepared to respond to.
In Texas, there are 194 people who have COVID-19. 5 people have died, and nearly 5,300 people have been tested for the virus. That's double the number from 24 hours earlier. During a televised town hall last night, the governor explained why testing only people who have symptoms is so crucial.
And that's so we can identify who has COVID-19 and isolate them so they don't communicate that disease to somebody else.
More testing sites will be opening in North Texas, including the American Airlines Center tomorrow morning and the Ellis Davis Fieldhouse in South Dallas. Parkland Hospital has had its drive-through site for first responders, healthcare workers, and patients operating since Monday. And now JPS Hospital in Fort Worth has its own testing site. Dallas County Judge Clay Jenkins says he remains in contact with the CDC.
If we get directions from the CDC and the health authority what we need to do, we will act, and we'll act decisively.
The judge says the county is as prepared as possible and has conducted tabletop exercises for this kind of scenario every year.
And this is not a cookie-cutter exercise. Things are happening very quickly. The virus has, plans too, so to speak.
Now, experts say most people who come down with COVID-19 will not need to be hospitalized, but they will need to be isolated from other people. Governor Abbott has not ordered people to stay home, but Judge Jenkins says you should stay home if you don't have to go out. Live in Dallas, Jack Fink, CBS 11 News.
Good advice, Jack. Thanks very much.